Hackers got into the emergency notification system in Dallas and set off 156 sirens. The sirens went off a little before midnight Friday. Firefighters had to go out to each siren and manually shut it off. That process took more than 4 hours. In the meantime, people flooded 911 dispatchers with 800 calls in about 15 minutes. The Office of Emergency Management is investigating how the hackers got into the system. For now, it'll use other sources of mass notification in case of an emergency. That's until the sirens are up and running again.